Welcome back to my channel for those viewers visiting for the first time. I've published other videos about accessibility tools for Power BI, such as keyboard shortcuts tools for checking reports for people with eye impediments, and screen readers. I use my eyes to create Power BI reports or assess reports to check if they comply with accessibility standards. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. I did this video to demonstrate the frequently used shortcuts accordingly to Microsoft documentation on the web. This video is the first of the Power BI keyboard series. The online keyboard of Windows 10 was used to demonstrate the keyboard used. The link to the online documentation of the frequently used shortcuts is at the description of this video, as well as the Power BI report used for this demonstration. Left-click on the mouse on the left border of the Power BI report. Hit the Tab key to display the box displayed on the screen. Hit the Tab key to move to the second line and press the Enter key on the keyboard. Press the Ctrl plus the right arrow on the keyboard to enter the selected visual. The X-axis title area is selected when entering the visual. Press Enter key to go into the first bar. Hit Enter again to select the first bar as seen on the screen. Multi-select objects. The first bar of the X-axis is selected now. By pressing the keys, Ctrl plus the space bar, the first X-axis title is unselected, and we have chosen all the labels on the X-axis. Press Escape twice to go out of the visual selected area to go to the general area of the selected graphic. Move focus forward in section by pressing the Tab key on the keyboard. Move focus backward in section by hitting the Shift plus Tab keys. Move focus between sections by pressing the keyboard combination of Ctrl plus F6. I will move from the selected visual to the filters area.